Why math notes are essential for student success. Personalized learning. Notes can be tailored to individual learning styles, accommodating varied approaches to understanding mathematical concepts. Well-structured notes provide a clear framework for understanding complex mathematical topics. Writing down examples and solutions reinforces understanding and hones problem-solving skills. Notes are invaluable resources for reviewing material and seeking clarification on challenging topics. Comprehensive notes aid in exam preparation by offering a structured review of course material. Summarizing concepts in their own words helps students internalize information for better retention and recall. Note-taking encourages active participation during lectures, fostering engagement and deeper learning. Remember, by taking ownership of your learning through note-taking, you're paving the way for a brighter academic journey. Keep up the great work.